To use Share and Markup in SolidWorks with cloud services, first make sure you've installed the Design with SolidWorks app and are running SolidWorks 2023 SP3 or later, or you've installed 3DEXPERIENCE SolidWorks. If you or other users get an error message like this one when clicking on Share a File, it's because there's a setting turned off on your platform. You can point your administrator to the help page in the Learn More link, or just send them this video. From the Platform Management dashboard, click on the Content tab, and then under Drive's Control Center, click on Share with External. Enable Shareable Link needs to be turned on along with Enable Comments. The number of accesses is basically related to the number of megabytes your platform users can share each month. Now, it's not required, but you may want to install the optional 3DEXPERIENCE Drive for Windows app. This desktop client syncs a local folder on your PC with the online 3D drive, making sharing and collaboration even easier. You get the flexibility and portability of the web interface, and the Windows client lets you work with content directly on your desktop.